Hello guys, I will be working on this laptop today, which is HP 430G7. So what is happening, it's not turning on, it's completely dead. So as soon as we plug in the charger, usually this light turns up, and then as you press the button, so nothing is happening here, not turning on. So what we're gonna do is open it up and see what's wrong with it. I don't think there's the DC jack, because I don't see any damage from the outside, but you never know. So first of all, if you are fixing a laptop, check what's the voltage on the DC jacks. Keep it here.
I'm trying to enter it to take the password off, but it doesn't
Okay.
This one, without password, we can still.
So here we have got let's check if we are getting 19 volt here. Okay. Okay, I have to restart the multimeter because I can see here.
Okay, so
okay.
You already paid, you will pick one.
See, we got 19.56, which is approximately 20 volt there, so there's nothing wrong with the DC jack. So let's go under microscope. Okay, here we have got our DC jack, but let me remove this part. This is just the protection for the type C port, and this is Ethernet port. I think we can remove it like this. Okay, so if we follow these lines from here, I don't see any of the component which supply power to the board here. I think I have to remove the board so that I can look at the other side, but before we do that, let's just do a general examination here. No, so that looks all good. Now let's look at the other side of the board. This is where our DC jack is, on this side. But DC jack power supplies and other component, they are on this side. So the next thing I would like to check is go a little bit closer and just inspect the board. If anything is unusual, burnt, otherwise we will check the power lines. Okay, so I couldn't find anything. I will put you here actually. Yeah, this is better. Move it here. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. So next thing is, I'll just check if my multimeter is on the screen. Yeah, it looks like it's on. So the next thing we would like to check is these okay, we do not have anything on this. Nothing here. Okay. And let's check pin number 1 on this. So as you can see, this we are getting 19. Can you see? So this MOSFET we are getting 19 volt here, and what's the output, which is 19, whereas this one we were reading is this pin number 1. Okay, so we are not getting anything on this pin number, but we don't know if it's on the power line. Anyway, let's check this one here. We are getting 19 here. So these are on all MOSFET. These 1, 2, 3 are on one line. But we are here, nothing here, nothing here. So guys, it looks like we are not getting anything out of that MOSFET there, so I will just check few more things. So I looked at the data sheet of this MOSFET, and it says it's a P channel 30 volt MOSFET, so we know we are getting 19 volt on the source, and we are not getting anything on the drain. So most probably I have to remove this MOSFET, because if the voltage is not passing through from here and going to the system, then it's not gonna work. Okay, so we will just remove it, and then I will check if we have got the same MOSFET in the stock. If we do not have one, then I can just bypass and this MOSFET, because we have got 2 more in the line. It's hard to keep these all sort of different MOSFET. So what MOSFET actually does, it enable the line from source at pin number 4 is gate. It enable, and then you know when it's safe to pass the voltage. Okay. That's removed. I do not have the same MOSFET in the stock, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump wire this So what this MOSFET does, it when it got 19 volt safe here on the source, gate enable it, yeah, it's okay to go, and then it goes to the drain where it goes to the system. So this MOSFET gate was not working, it was not enabling it. So what I'm gonna do, because we have got more MOSFET in the line, so I'm gonna bypass this MOSFET. So bypassing is safe, I don't know, but when the MOSFET is enabled, what it does, it's just passing the power through, and that's it. And I'm gonna let the customer know what we have done, and I will order this MOSFET when it's here. But other thing which I have important for me to do at this stage is to do a further check as well, like after getting the power on the drain side, if this is still turning on, or is there any other problem on the laptop. So that's okay, and I will just cut it short. Okay, and just a little bit of clean. And then now, before I check the board again, let's see what we getting on source and drain. $19 and $19, you can see. 19 and 19, of course the line is running, so 19 and 19, yeah, definitely. Okay, let's just put it back and see if we got any life on the board. Okay, so put the board.
So charging for replacement $60.
Now let's check.
So if you do it together,
We can. Yeah, we got a light here, and it came and it gone, but I can see now backlight we got. And what else we got? Fan is not spinning so far.
I can't give you a phone number.
Okay.
So you just hit this like, come in another day, can't do.
Okay, let's turn it on again.
Leave it here.
Yeah, I'll leave it. You tell me what you
Okay, so now you can see the fan is spinning. At least we have got some sort of life on it.
Yeah. Okay. So if you want
Okay, let's see what happened after that.
How can we contact you? Like emailing? Okay. So the detail will.
Should we put the
We
SSD?
are not sure you want to fix it or not.
But it should.
So we'll transfer
Just boot up and
Okay. If you
I can
want
see
to-
the
we will
fan is spinning.
Is that fine? Or if you want, or you want to cancel your
Processor is warm. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, turns on. Fine, all good.
So if you're okay with that, we will try.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.